Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I have some fun news to share with you today. Some of you may not know this, but the production of the Z8 Corvette was supposed to begin on February 3rd and it started a few days early on January 29th. Needless to say, we're super excited about it. Our original date was the week of February 10th, but now maybe a few days early. Just to recap, we're getting the torch red Z51 2LT Coupe and we're doing the museum delivery, which means we get to go to Kentucky, which is actually really fun for me because the last time I was in Kentucky, I was 5 at the drag races. Just a brief history regarding our family with Corvettes. Our first Corvette was the 1978 Corvette. So anyway, with a little bit of luck, hopefully we'll be driving our C8 by the end of February, early March. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so because we will be putting out a lot of videos of us driving the C8. The Corvette has always been the pride of America and we are very blessed to have one of the first C8s. We put together a little video commemorating the C8 and the great country that we live in. So you guys enjoy our video while I take a ride in our C7Z06 and God bless America. Thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share,